Spell check here. I am going to show you today how you can split your screen so you can have two things going on at the same time. Helps me tremendously. I was just doing a vocabulary sheet and I could have the text on one side and add to the vocabulary sheet from the other. So that's the activity we're going to do. I speak PC. I know it's similar on Macs, but I apologize, I can't speak specifically to that. So with that in mind, here we go. So here's the activity that we're going to do. I'm going to click. I'm going to make a copy. Okay, so here's the vocabulary sheet that I need to fill in, and I know that I can use our online textbook. So I need to minimize this. I'm going to go up to the top right-hand corner, and where I have my two boxes up here, I want to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, that works for me. Now I need to open another window. So I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to right-click on my Google Chrome icon. Under here where it says Tasks, I'm going to click on New Window. Boom, there's my new window, but it's on top of my other window. I don't like that. So I'm going to push the Windows button. It's a window. It's like four little squares together into one big square, so I'm going to push that and my right arrow key, and that's going to move that window all the way over to the right. Now, over on this side, it will display all of the other windows that I have open. So I want this vocabulary sheet, and all I have to do is left click on it, and boom, there it is. If I go here in the middle, I can move the screens. They move together in tandem, so I can make one larger and one smaller. So I know, or if I don't have them quite together. Okay, so now I know I want to use the OpenStax textbook. So I'm going to go to OpenStax. I know I want science. I know I want anatomy. Of course, there's a link and there's easier ways to do this, but why? Okay, so here's my textbook. I know I'm looking for gross anatomy. I'm going to go to the next page. Human anatomy, that's close, that's close. So here's gross anatomy, and I can just come over here and click and type in my definition that it's larger structures. Here I need to find a picture, so over on my right window I could Google Images and find a picture of gross anatomy and copy and paste that right in there. I like to use this when we do Fridays in our asynchronous time, because you can have the window open over here with my beautiful face in it and our Google Hangout or our Zoom meeting. And then over here on the left, the documents are big enough to see and scroll through. I know when a presenter shows on the Google Hangouts, it's not big enough for my old lady eyes to see. So that is how you can have two windows open at the same time and be remarkably efficient at your teaching or studying or whatever your special skill is. Thank you.